Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Simphiwe Nqunga and I'm the director of Nquks Holdings. My company is based in Moenoi, number 11 Alex Avenue, the address. And also, you can also check us at our website www.nquksholdings.co.za. And Nquks Holdings specializes in security services. The pitching, it was great, even though I was shaking the time I was approaching the stage. And also, it was a privilege to me to be part of this program. Hence, I want actually, it was great to me. Hence, I want the exposure to gain the confidence. Otherwise, it was good. And I really appreciate the opportunity. Hi, my name is Nqunga Simphiwe, and I'm the Township Entrepreneur.